Crypto Frog back in your pie holes for another video extraordinaire. Ampleforth, AMPL, your simp questions answered once and for all. Are you interested in AMPL but a bit of a simp and can't see the appeal? Yes? Good. Well, you're almost certainly in the right place. This is going to be your go-to guide as I see the same questions popping up all the time before I drop a knowledge bomb all over your boat race. A common refrain, but one that bears repeating again and again because there are always new friends filtering along this channel. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe. Mrs. Frog and the junior frogs won't eat otherwise. I have all the money locked in cryptos. Priorities. Subscribed already? You are an excellent specimen of a human being and a mad baller to boot. You know the drill. Thumbs up, share and comment. Ledges. Okay, are we sitting comfortably? A crash Q&A crash course in Ampleforth based on the questions I've seen the most. Where can I buy Bitcoin 2.0 aka Ampleforth? It can be purchased on Uniswap. However, if you are more comfortable with centralized exchanges, you can use KuCoin and Bitfinex. Both are reputable exchanges, and use my KuCoin reference link so my junior frogs can have their first ice cream of 2020. Do other exchanges list Bitcoin 2.0 aka Ampleforth? Yes, they do, but do not use them. Listen, I repeat, do not use them. They do not support Rebase and will likely steal your Rebase if you leave your AMPL on their exchange. Hotbit definitely does. Avoid Hotbit altogether. Period. Why isn't Ampleforth listed on more exchanges? First, does it really matter? You have three perfectly good options right now: Uniswap, KuCoin, and Bitfinex. B, considering the sheer volume AMPL is doing, other Tier A exchanges will begin to add Ampleforth in short order. Enjoy the stealth mode while it lasts. What is a rebase? The AMPL rebase expands the supply when demand is high and contracts the supply when demand is low. If the average price for the 24-hour period is under 96 cents, there will be a negative rebase. The supply will go down. Your amount of coins will go down by the same percentage, providing you don't sell, you still own the same percentage of the market cap. If the price is in a range between 96 cents and $1.06, the protocol will hold the supply steady. Your coin amount will remain the same, providing you don't sell. You still own the same percentage of the market cap. If the price is above $1.06, the supply will expand by a proportional amount, as will your coins. Providing you don't sell, you still own the same percentage of the market cap. How often does AMPL rebase? Every 24 hours at 2 a.m. UTC. Go to timeanddate.com/world clock, all one word, to figure out what time that is for you. Does AMPL even rebase on the weekend and public holidays, even Christmas Day? Yes, it does. Will rebases eventually end? No, they won't. They are coded into the protocol. Don't worry, your kids will know what you are doing when you are ignoring them on Christmas Day, because they'll be distracted by all the made in China junk you bought them. Where can I check the estimated rebase amount? You can either check the dashboard on the Ampleforth website, ampleforth.org, or download or open Telegram. If you already have it, search for AMP_ROI_bot and add it. This is what it looks like. Type /rate, hit enter, and the rebase amount estimate will be the bottom of these two figures. These will be estimates until 30 minutes prior to the rebase time. If you check 30 minutes to 0 minutes to the rebase, you will know exactly what the rebase percentage will be. Are rebases addictive? Yes. Extremely. Do I have to click something to see my Rebase? No, as long as you have AMPL in your Ledger, MetaMask, Trezor, Trust Wallet, or Qcoin, or Bitfinex, your rebase will be reflected automatically after rebase. Wait around 5 minutes, sometimes it can be instant for it to be reflected in Etherscan. Takes around 15 to 20 minutes on Qcoin and Bitfinex. I hear that is the case. I do not leave my coins on exchanges. If you keep your coins on Hotbit or any of the other exchanges, they are likely to keep your rebase. Hence, do not use them. There have been so many positive rebases, Frog. Surely there has to be a negative one soon. Anything is possible, but considering the amount of liquidity and demand at this point for AMPL, it is at this time highly improbable. Even if AMPL dumped all the way to 50 cents, your negative rebase would only be minus 5% anyway, and you still own the same percentage of the market cap if you do not sell. However, the chance of something like that happening is statistically as improbable as crashing your car on the way to the airport, the plane crashing, you surviving the plane crash, only for you to be struck by lightning. What is the geyser/geyser? And what is the Beehive? They are specially designed platforms by Ampleforth that enable you to provide liquidity into the pools and gain extra bonuses the longer you continue to provide said liquidity to the pool. How do I set up the geyser, and or the Beehive? You can either watch my video on setting up the geyser, search YouTube for another chap who will guide you through the Beehive setup. As far as I know, they are fairly similar. Failing that, join the Ampleforth Telegram group by searching Ampleforth and clicking join and ask politely for help. Someone will help you. Isn't Ampleforth a stable coin? No, not right now. It is in market cap discovery mode. Eventually, once the dust settles in several months or a few years from now, it will be similar to a stable coin, but it will maintain its elastic, unique function. So rebases will continue, but perhaps the days of 20+% positive rebases will be over. Is Ampleforth better than Tether? Yes. Does Ampleforth have a Discord? No. Does Ampleforth Telegram have the best memes? Yes. Is Ampleforth a Ponzi? No, it is a scalable synthetic currency that is not backed by collateral, only itself. A primitive like Ethereum and Bitcoin. The supply fluctuates in an automated fashion with zero human nor any political intervention. My simp friend told me Ampleforth is like BitConnect. Your simp friend is wrong. No, it is not like BitConnect. See my previous answer. Plus, read the white paper/the red book. It's on the website. Also, strike that idea from your mind forever, or you are destined to remain poor. Am I too late? First, watch my video Ampleforth Am I Too Late edition, and also consider that AMPL has around 10,000 addresses. Chainlink has close to 200,000. AMPL is only listed on Uniswap, Qcoin, and Bitfinex, and no one outside freaks like me and a few guys on Twitter are talking about it, so no, you are most certainly not late. One of the people I follow on Twitter says Ampleforth is a scam. What do I do? Send him or her a link to the Ampleforth white paper, the red book, give them 24 hours to read it, and then ask them again if AMPL is a scam. If they concede they were indeed being very simple, continue to follow. If they say they haven't had time to read it or continue to lie to themselves and you, unfollow them. Actually, unfollow them and block them. They are retardo. People on Biz say AMPL is a scam. What do I do? Think for yourself. Don't be a sheep. Also, most bizlets are chain-link obsessed basement dwellers who either realize AMPL is going to blow past the competition but FUD to try and get cheaper AMPL, or are salty that they didn't get in earlier, or are actually mentally stunted. I read somewhere that some people bought in at $4 per AMPL, held for a few days as the price was dumping, and are still in profit. Is that true, Frog? Yes, that is very much true. Say you bought in at $2 per Ample around a week of even conservative rebases later, and even if it dumps to $1, it's highly likely that you are going to be up in US dollar terms on your original investment. I'm worried this is too complex for me to work out. Is it? Maybe, but it's supposed to be complex. It weeds out the low IQers and ensures the world elite in 20 years are not simps. Either learn about Ampleforth by studying yourself, or go back to flipping XRP on Binance. I thought you were going to help me understand AMPL. Yes, I have. 90% of it. Young Padawan. To truly reach enlightenment, you have to take the extra final steps alone. I will take you to the school gates, but you yourself have to go into the classroom without wetting yourself. Okay, Frog, go easy. What is a make-it bag of AMPL? There is some debate about this, but I would say 5,000, 10,000 for actual retirement in 12 months. Will AMPL make me rich? Quite possibly, but I don't do financial advice. Will I get wrecked holding AMPL? Highly unlikely, but anything is possible in life apart from me giving financial advice. I want to buy, but the price went up or went down a lot today. What should I do? You can largely discount/ignore the coin price action. It is all about AMPL's market capitalization. What's the best strategy for extracting the maximum gains out of AMPL? I don't give financial advice, but holding and buying more on dips has worked out very nicely for me. Were you paid by Ampleforth to make this video? No, absolutely not. I make these kind of videos because I love the game, but if they or you want to donate, I'll happily accept. Address in the video description below. Is there anything else I should know? Yes, absolutely loads. Are you going to answer any extra questions I have about AMPL in the comments? No, read the white paper. Thank you, Frog. I wasn't a subscriber before, but now I'm going to click the red subscribe button as a token of my appreciation and leave you a nice comment and a thumbs up and share this with all my friends on FaceEB. That's very kind of you. Before I head off to the bus stop to start my shift at McDonald's, what's your Twitter? You can follow me at CryptoFrog202. What's that catchphrase you end with all the time? Ah, yes, that's right. Stack the chat! Peace!